Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on iPad. Since Fortnite is not directly on the App Store, you'll need to use cloud gaming. This method streams the game to your device, letting you enjoy it without a direct download. A strong, stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth experience, so make sure your Wi-Fi is reliable before you start. To get started, select a cloud gaming service such as Xbox Cloud Gaming or NVIDIA GeForce Now. You'll need to create an account with your chosen service and then link your existing Epic Games account. Before diving in, quickly check that your iPad meets the service's minimum requirements for the best possible performance. For the best gameplay, consider connecting a compatible Bluetooth controller to your iPad. This offers precise control that touchscreens sometimes lack. Once in the game, take time to adjust your settings for optimal performance and visuals. If you're sticking with touch controls, practice in creative mode to really master them before jumping into a match. To ensure the smoothest experience, always close any background apps running on your iPad before playing. Also, verify your internet speed. A minimum of 15 Mbps is generally recommended for cloud gaming. If you encounter any lag, try moving closer to your Wi-Fi router. And hey, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.